Today we are discussing about the what is that Cori cycle. So what is the Cori cycle? What is the Cori cycle? The Cori cycle is nothing but it is one of the metabolic process. One of the metabolic process. This process occurs in the liver region. This process completely occurs in liver region. So the Cori cycle is one of the metabolic process. The cycle is one of the metabolic process. So this cycle occurs in which region? The liver region, the liver of the human body, the liver region. The process, the cycle occurs in liver region. So what is the Cori cycle? What is the Cori cycle is nothing but the traffic in between of the skeletal and liver region. The traffic in between of the skeletal and liver region. So that is called as a Cori cycle. So the Cori cycle is nothing but the rapid contraction of the skeletal muscle. So the skeletal muscles will become weak. The rapid contraction of the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscles will become weak. The presence are why? Because these are lacking of the oxygen. They're lacking of the oxygen. So the muscles will become weak. So due to the lacking of the oxygen in these muscles are producing which one? The producing of the lactic acid. Instead of the oxygen, the muscles are producing of the oxygen. Why? Because if it is the rapid contraction of the muscle need energy and the oxygen. So the less oxygen was there in muscle region when the glucose is never hydrolysis. Nothing but the glucose is never catabolic process. Nothing but the glucose is converts into lactic acid in the muscle region. So the lactic acid is there in muscle. So it will become very tight of the muscle fibrils. So that is known as a Cori cycle. Let's discussing the each and every detailed information of the Cori cycle in between of the skeletal muscle and the liver region. What is the process? What is the chemical process that occurs in between of two organs, two regions? First one. So the blood consistent of the rich amount of the oxygen along with some amount of the glucose. So that is called as a blood sugar. Okay, clear. First, the Cori cycle. First one, the blood. In this muscle. So this is a number of the glucose is there. Glucose is there in the bloodstream. The glucose is there. The glucose is converts into glycogen. The excess amount of the glucose is converts into glycogen. In the presence of gluconeogenesis. The process of gluconeogenesis, the excess amount of the glucose converts into glycogen. Gluconeogenesis. The glucogenesis process, the glucose is converts into glycogen. So the excess amount of the glycogen is formed. The glucose converts into glycogen. In this which region? There is occurs in muscle region. When it is occurs in muscle region. When due to less amount of due to the lacking of the oxygen, so the glucose converts into glycogen. The glycogen converts into pyruvic acid. Nothing but the glycogen converts into pyruvic acid. Nothing but the glycogen converts glucose and formation of the pyruvic acid. That the process is known as a glucolysis. That is called as a glucolysis. Glucolysis means a division. The glycogen converts into glucose. The glucose converts into pyruvic acid. The glycogen converts into glucose. The glucose converts into pyruvic acid. The process is known as a glucolysis. Lysis is nothing but division. The division of the glycogen converts into glucose. The glucose finally it is converts into pyruvic acid. How much? The 2 moles of the pyruvic acid is formed. The pyruvic acid is converts into lactic acid. Lactic acid. Lactic acid. Just listen carefully. In this muscle, this is a muscle. Rapid contraction of the muscle. You can imagine this is one of the muscle. The rapid contraction of the muscle. The rapid contraction of the muscle. There is no oxygen. There is no oxygen means very less oxygen is there. When is the less oxygen was there? When the glucose converts into glycogen. So the glycogen is converts into what is the pyruvic acid. So if it is there is a oxygen was there, the glucose is converts into ATP. What I'm saying, if it is the sufficient oxygen was supplied into muscle region, so the glucose directly converts into ATP. What is the adenosine triphosphate? Nothing but complete converts into energy form. Okay. So there is a less amount of the what is the oxygen level, oxygen demand is there in muscle region. So the glycogen is converts into pyruvic acid. The pyruvic acid converts into lactic acid. Finally, which one is formed in muscle region? Finally, the lactic acid is formed. Are you clear? Are you clear? So in the normal condition, if you are then in a stable in condition, if you are taking a resting condition, the muscle is never formation of the lactic acid. Why? Because the blood is transporting sufficient of the oxygen and sufficient of the sugars and nothing but energy. So the sufficient of the oxygen is what is that useful of the muscle and hydrolysis of the glucose molecules and converts into energy form. So there is no glucose, there is no lactic acid is formed. When in normal in condition, so there is a rapid, that is nothing but the movement or doing exercises. You can participate any what is a running, what is athletes are there is effects. What is those are facing of this problem. What is that? There is a lacking of the oxygen level, oxygen demand is there. So the glycogen, the glucose is excess amount of the glucose is there. So the excess amount of the glucose converts into glycogen. The presence of which process? Neo means new, genesis means form. New formation of the glycogen, that is called as nothing but three glucose molecules are together to formation of glycogen. Clear? Listen carefully. How many glucose molecules? 3 glucose molecules are combined together to formation of glycogen. Clear? So the glycogen is formed. Yes, in muscle region the glycogen is also formed. So when the glycogen is already formed, there is no oxygen, means very less oxygen was there in muscle region. When the glycogen is ready to lysis means division, to converts into energy, like a simplest form of the glucose. So the simplest form of the glucose is also formed. So but the glucose is never hydrolysis with oxygen. Why? Because there is no oxygen is level. So when the muscle producing of the lactic acid instead of the oxygen, so the glucose is converts into pyruvic acid. The pyruvic acid finally converts into lactic acid. So this process, this mechanism, what I am saying, it is a metabolic process. It is one of the mechanism. This mechanism occurs in the muscle region only. Okay, when the muscle is formed lactic acid, it is converts into muscle fatigue. Muscle fatigue means muscle will become tight. Muscles will become tight. Okay, that is called muscle fatigue. So the muscle, there is no sufficient oxygen level. When the muscle is formation of which one? Two of lactic acids are formed. So this amount of the lactic acid is leads into nothing but releasing into bloodstream by the muscle. So the lactic acid is directly leads into bloodstream through the nothing but this lactic acid is carried by blood vessels. These blood vessels are carries the lactic acid into liver region. Where it is carries? The lactic acid is carries into liver region through the blood vessels. Very clear. Yes. The lactic acid is carries by the blood vessel and leads into liver. Releasing into liver. Yes. The lactic acid was releasing. Lactic acid was enters into the liver region. When the lactic acid is converts into the reversible process of the muscle. The reversible process of the muscle reaction. The lactic acid converts into pyruvic acid. the pyruvic acid is converts into glucose. Pyruvic acid converts into glucose. The presence of gluconeogenolysis. What is that? Gluconeogenolysis. Genolysis is formed. So this glucose is formed in liver region. Are you clear? So this pyruvic acid, the lactic acid converts into pyruvic acid, nothing but reversible process of the muscle. So the lactic acid converts into pyruvic acid, the pyruvic acid converts into glucose. Clear? So the glucose is finally releasing into bloodstream. Finally releasing into which stream? Bloodstream. The blood vessels are carries glucose along with the oxygen molecules into muscle region. When the muscle is utilizing of the oxygen and glucose, so the muscle will become relaxed. So the process is known as a Cori cycle. What I am saying? So in this process, the lactic acid is finally formed. This lactic acid is transport, nothing but what is the transport into the liver region through the blood vessel. So the blood vessels are transporting lactic acid into the liver region in the reversible process of the muscle in liver region. The mechanical action is completely reversible in the liver region. So the lactic acid is converts into pyruvic acid. The pyruvic acid converts into glucose. So the process of gluconeogenolysis. So the glucose directly leads into bloodstream. So nothing but the bloodstream containing more amount of the glucose and along with oxygen molecule. So the glucose and glucose and oxygen molecules are enters into the muscle region. The muscle will become relaxed. Nothing but these are elimination of the lactic acid. If the elimination of the lactic acid, elimination means it carries the lactic acid, nothing but completely collecting the lactic acid from the muscle region and releasing of the oxygen and energy. So the muscle will become relaxed. So the muscle not getting energy. So the muscle it is facing muscle fatigue. Are you clear? So this is known as a Cori cycle. The Cori cycle is nothing but the traffic in between of, are you clear? The traffic in between of the muscle and liver. The traffic in between of the muscle and liver, that is called as a Cori cycle. Cori cycle is nothing but the traffic in between of muscle and what is a liver is called as a what is that? Cori cycle. The Cori cycle is one of the metabolic process. Where it is occur? The Cori cycle process, the complete Cori cycle process was occurs in the liver region. Clear? The Cori cycle process was occurs in liver region. Are you clear? The rapid contraction of the muscle. What would happen? So the muscle not get sufficient of the oxygen, it is converts into lactic acid. So the lactic acid directly leads into the liver through the blood vessel. Next one, the reversible process of the muscle. The chemical actions are reversible in the liver region of the muscle. So the lactic acid converts into pyruvic acid converts into glucose, glucose enters into the bloodstream to muscle. So the relaxation of the muscle, that process is called as Cori cycle.